Satnam, around 9 years ago, I was teaching at a yoga studio in Paris. It was a 5 day workshop. And on the second day, the owner of the studio came to me and she said, "My God, I'm hearing so much about your classes. Yesterday's class was like fantastic and everybody's raving about it. And I'm going to do your class today." I said, "Are you sure? Because I think today is going to be a very tough class." She said, "What do you mean?" I said, "I'm in that mood to be doing a tough class. It's going to be a soul detox class where a lot of emotions are going to be there involved, a lot of kriyas will be involved." And she said, "Darling, I've been teaching yoga for 30 years. I can handle it." I said, "Okay, come." And she did the class. By the end of the class, she said, "I don't know how I can go back home. I can't even walk." I said, "I'm sure you'll get there." And then even 3 days later, she came to me. She said, "I still can't walk. If I'm standing, I can't sit. And if I'm sitting, I can't stand up. What have you done?" I'm not trying to scare you about Kundalini Yoga. What I'm trying to explain to you is that the kriyas that we do, they are designed to heal. So if you have a lot of stress, a lot of emotions stored in your shoulders will hurt a lot because that's the emotion going to come out from there. If you have a lot of anger, if you have a lot of emotions stored in your hips, your legs are going to hurt a lot. But that's the only way to do it. There is no other way. On the 15th of September, I am doing a very intense, very, very intense soul detox class. It's part of the Transform course. It's Transform 15. And I'm really excited about it because, like I said, this one is going to be worse than a washing machine. You know, when I did the washing machine in one of the transforms, it's the washing machine concept is that literally as a teacher, I throw you inside a washing machine. You go all around and then you come out clean. Your soul is clean, your aura is clean, you're shining. But this time it's going to be even more intense because this is, after all, Transform 15. So if you think you need to get over your addictions, your anger, your grief, your pain, your sorrow, your loss, you want to get over all of that, be a part of this wonderful workshop that I'm doing. It had been designed very clearly to use all the kriyas, all the mudras, all the mantras that we have in Kundalini Yoga, the most powerful ones, so that you can heal and live a happier and a better life. See you on the 15th of September. Satnam.